Welcome to Chain Train, your go to podcast for everything crypto. Today, we dive into major headlines shaking the blockchain world, from Bitcoin's price dip to Russia's evolving stance on crypto and Trump's impact on the industry. Stay tuned as we break down the biggest developments in digital assets. India's CBI arrested Alexei Besyakov, a Russian-Lithuanian national wanted by the US for money laundering and sanctions violations linked to the Garantex cryptocurrency exchange. The US Justice Department alleges that Besyakov and Alexander Miraserda laundered $152.5 billion in crypto from 2019 to 2025, facilitating hacking, ransomware terrorism, and drug trafficking. The US, Germany, and Finland dismantled Garantex's online infrastructure, seized 3 domains, and froze $26 million in illicit funds. Besyakov was caught in Kerala while attempting to flee, and Washington seeks his extradition. He faces up to 20 years in prison if convicted. Binance CEO Richard Teng predicts a golden era for cryptocurrency under US President Donald Trump, citing expected regulatory easing. He highlights Trump's announcement of a crypto strategic reserve, which could prompt other nations to follow suit. Teng believes sovereign wealth funds, trusts, high net worth individuals, and corporate treasuries will increase crypto allocations, accelerating global adoption. Bitcoin surged past $109,000 ahead of Donald Trump's second term, driven by expectations of pro crypto policies. His administration aims to make the US a global hub for blockchain innovation, attracting firms back to the country. Reports suggest Trump's family is in talks to acquire a stake in Binance's US operations, signaling deeper government ties to crypto. Meanwhile, the Genius Act seeks to regulate stablecoins to reinforce the dollar's dominance. While some analysts predict continued growth, others warn of a possible correction to $73,000. The next 4 years could define the global future of digital assets. Bitcoin surged past $109,000 ahead of Donald Trump's second term, driven by expectations of pro crypto policies. His administration aims to make the US a global hub for blockchain innovation, attracting firms back to the country. Reports suggest Trump's family is in talks to acquire a stake in Binance's US operations, signaling deeper government ties to crypto. Meanwhile, the Genius Act seeks to regulate stablecoins to reinforce the dollar's dominance. While some analysts predict continued growth, others warn of a possible correction to $73,000. The next 4 years could define the global future of digital assets. Bitcoin dropped below $82,000, falling nearly 5% this week as Trump's tariff decisions sparked recession fears. His threat of a 200% tariff on European alcohol and planned reciprocal tariffs on April 2nd have led investors to shift away from riskier assets like crypto. Gold prices surged amid this uncertainty. The market is also awaiting the Federal Reserve meeting on March 18th, 19, where the Fed is expected to maintain interest rates amid economic concerns. Meanwhile, Russia is increasingly using crypto in oil trade with China and India to evade Western sanctions. Most altcoins struggled, with Ethereum down 14% for the week, reflecting broader market caution. NCA officer Paul Chowles, 42, has been charged with stealing £60,000 worth of Bitcoin during a 2017 investigation into online organized crime. Merseyside police stated that Chowles allegedly took 50 Bitcoin, now worth over £3 million, and faces 15 charges, including theft and money laundering offences. He is set to appear at Liverpool Magistrates Court on April 25th. The Crown Prosecution Service emphasized the need for a fair trial and warned against prejudicial reporting or online speculation. Russia's central bank has proposed a 3-year crypto trading sandbox, allowing qualified investors to trade cryptocurrencies under strict regulations. To qualify, investors must have over 100 million rubles, $1.15 million in assets, or meet specific income criteria. Crypto derivatives will also be available, but peer-to-peer transactions and crypto payments remain banned. While the Bank of Russia still does not recognize crypto as legal tender, financial institutions like the St. Petersburg Exchange are preparing to offer crypto-related products. This move follows President Putin's directives and marks a shift in Russia's approach to digital assets. A BC Supreme Court judge granted a production order for Binance and Coinbase to reveal the identities of cryptocurrency account holders linked to a $26 million Bitcoin fraud. Lixia Wang, the victim, was contacted via WhatsApp in early 2024 by someone posing as a crypto investment expert in Vancouver. After transferring the funds, Wang lost access to his account and was asked to deposit more for a security audit. A private investigator traced the funds to accounts on Binance and Coinbase, revealing that the fraudster had used a fake BC driver's license. Judge Bruce Elwood ruled that the exchanges must provide identifying information, as they are the only practical sources to uncover the fraudsters. That's a wrap on today's Chain Train. As crypto regulations and adoption evolve, the industry remains unpredictable. Keep riding the crypto wave with us. Subscribe for more updates, and we'll catch you in the next episode.